Hello and welcome to Independence RV, located in Winter Garden, Florida. I'm your host, Dan Healy, and today we're here discussing a 2020 Newmar Dutch Star Model 4081. That's a bath and a half floor plan. It offers a full wall slide on the driver's side and two traditional slides on the passenger side. We've reached that time of year in Florida where the days are growing shorter, but the discounts and the values are growing longer. And what do I mean by that? Well, the 2020 Newmar models are on closeout now as we're getting ready for the 2021 model year to arrive. As a result, you've got enhanced values here, and you get all of the warranty values as if it's a brand new coach, which it is. So it starts with a 1-year comprehensive warranty inside for all of the audio, visual, and appliances. You've got a 3-year 50,000-mile warranty on the basic chassis, 5-year 100,000 miles on the engine, and a 5-year 200,000 mile on the transmission. Plus, you have a 5-year structural warranty on this Dutch Star. The backbone on this Dutch Star Model 4081, the bath and a half floor plan, is the Freightliner XCR tag axle passive steer chassis. Now, what do I mean by that? You've got the tag axle back here, and with the passive steer technology, what happens is when the driver is driving at less than 20 miles an hour, such as in a campground loop or maybe getting close to a fueling station, when he turns the wheel, the tag axle turns the same direction, allowing you to get closer to your campsite or to the island there at the fueling station. Also, this is offering a Cummins ISL 450 horsepower diesel engine. So you've got plenty under the hood, so to speak, when you're trying to climb the Rockies or the Smoky Mountains. Paired with that engine is an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission, which takes you gliding smoothly through the gears. We've already talked about the engine power, but this Dutch Star has plenty of electrical power as well. It's set up with a 50 amp service, and when you're out boondocking, then you can go to an 8 kilowatt Onan diesel generator. Now that will help operate a pair of 15M Penguin air conditioners with heat pumps that are positioned on the roof, and with central ducting throughout the coach, you'll stay cool. Also, this coach is set up with an Oasis hydronic zone heating system, which will provide your heat for chilly mountain mornings, and it also, when hooked up to a fresh water supply, will give you nearly continuous hot water flow. Now let's take a look at the basement area here on this coach, and please admire and take advantage of looking at this Norfolk graphic, a full masterpiece finish here by Newmar. And we start here in our basement area where we got two trays. A large tray that opens to one side, and you've got a pass-through tray which is available from either side of the coach. Built into our sidewall, you've got a large flat screen color television with a Bose sound system. And for the catch of the day or additional food perishables that need to be cold, you've got a large Dometic basement freezer on a tray. We're now inside our 2020 Newmar Dutch Star, the Model 4081. As a reminder, it's a bath and a half floor plan, and it's filled with optional upgrades. And you can find all 33 of those optional upgrades in the photo section of this coach's specific vehicle detail page on the Independence RV website. Now, let's talk for a minute about the interior. It's got porcelain tile floors. It offers the Norfolk interior decor, accented with Bermuda maple glazed hardwood cabinetry with a high gloss finish. The living room has the optional upgrade to a pair of swivel recliners with a lampstand in between, and they are conveniently positioned opposite the fold and tumble sofa with the large televator television behind it. There's also, up in our cabinetry, a Blu-ray disc player. We're now in the galley of our Dutch Star. It starts with a microwave convection oven that is situated inside the Bermuda maple glazed hardwood cabinetry. Below it, large solid surface countertop with an extender to help with meal prep. You've got a dual burner true induction cooktop. And the nice thing, it's portable, so you can either cook here, or if you wish, you can take it outside, put it on a picnic bench if you don't want any additional smoke or grease from whatever you're preparing. You've got dual stainless steel sinks with a gooseneck faucet, and as you get closer for cleanup, you've got a dishwasher and a drawer. Now, one of the focal points of the Galley is our large residential-sized Whirlpool refrigerator. It offers ice, water, a freezer drawer, and adjacent to it, a multi-drawered pantry, illuminated, and the shelves are adjustable to handle all of your dry storage. Finishing off our area here, we've got a combination desk dinette with 2 fixed chairs. There's also 2 folding chairs stored under the master bed. We've just come into the master suite. We've passed the half bath that is about mid-coach. Great powder room for guests, toilet and sink. Here in the master bedroom, you've got a large king-size bed. It's a sleep number bed, so each person can set the setting that works best for them for a great night's sleep. And above it, of course, the Bermuda maple glazed hardwood cabinetry. At the foot of the bed, you've got a pair of shirt wardrobes flanking a large flat screen color TV, and there's also a Blu-ray disc and DVD player to add to your entertainment enhancement. We've now stepped up into the master bath, and it offers a cathedral ceiling, which is great for tall individuals. Here in the bath, you've got an oversized shower measuring 30 by 40 inches. You have your commode, you've got a master sink, and tucked away behind these doors is a stacked Splendide washer and dryer. In this corner, additional closet storage, drawers, and tucked into here, a safe for your valuables. And in the unlikely event you needed to escape this motor home, there's an emergency egress door here on the passenger side. Well, this is a quick recap of our 2020 Newmar Dutch Star Model 4081, and it has stock number 9947 for your reference. Now, if you'd like to learn more about this coach, please give us a toll-free call at the number 866-371-5168. Or you can always visit our website at www.independencerv.com. You'll be able to find wonderful closeout year values like this 2020 Dutch Star. Thank you for viewing today.